Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Hope it's all going good. Anyway, today, sorry, that was really weird. Today we're going to be going over functions, which are a really important part of programming. Because in most programming language, it doesn't just let you, type while this is that, or whatever. It doesn't let you do stuff just there and it'll actually work. In most programming languages, you need at the minimum functions, but more often than not, full classes, which I'll be going over later, but they're a bit more complicated for Python, because, you don't even need functions for Python to work, but with functions it can get a lot better. Pretty much what a function is it encapsulates a part of your code, which you can call several times. So like, how you define a function is go def, short for define, and then the name, print hello, is the name of it, two brackets, which is any input parameters you can throw to it, and then of course colon, because Python loves them, and then you can do print. Of course, you gotta make a string first. Hello world. And that is a function. If I just run this program now, it does nothing, because I haven't called the function. In order for a function to actually do something, you need to call it. So if I go print hello, bracket bracket, it does hello world. If I want to do something in the middle, so say do print, we will do print something in the middle, because I'm very imaginative, and then do print hello again. It'll do hello world, something in the middle, hello world, instead of having to do print hello world all over again. But let's say we want to, do a bit more advanced function, rather than just something as pointless as this that you can just type in one line anyway. It doesn't really matter. So let's do an input of name. So this is anything that's passed into the function. So if I now do print hello with nothing inside it, it'll go, uh-oh, print hello is missing one required positional argument, name. Okay, so if I just chuck something in here, my name is Bob. Then it'll go, oh, cool. We have one parameter in here. It works. Cool. Hello world. Now, say we want to now use this. So we will change that to hello plus name. So now if we do hello Bob, and then we do print hello Greg. Hello Bob, hello Greg. See, this is a much easier way of taking several different things, like several similar things, like we're always going to say hello and then followed by a name. So it's much easier than, typing out every time print hello plus name, and when things get even more advanced, it can get quite a lot more efficient. Like, say, let's just do a list of names. So names equals Bob, Greg, Jason, 5, 10, banana, and then do 4 name in names, print hello name. So then this will print, well, it won't, because there's an error, because I put an integer in there, and it can't go string plus integer equals, uh-oh, what's going on here? So, if we remove that for now, then we do, hello Bob, hello Greg, hello Jason, hello 10, hello Banana. But let's start going into a little bit of, making sure it's passed in the right thing. So, we will do if type of name equals string, then print this, else print str of name plus is not a name. Okay, so now let's add R5 back in here, and we'll add a true to the end. So we've got all strings which will work fine, and then an integer and a boolean. Run it again. Hello Bob, hello Greg, hello Jason, 5 is not a name. Hello 10, hello Banana, true is not a name. So, to type all this out by itself would be quite a bit longer. So, we're saving a bit of space here. But then, we could even do this even shorter, because what people tend to do is they will have a function called main, which almost always takes no parameters, which you just put in whatever code you do to start all the other stuff in, and then at the bottom of your code you just put main bracket and run it, and it all works. So this is where you'd put, all the stuff that you have to actually hard code, because you try to have as little code as possible outside of functions. So, that works well, but then, what if we go, actually, I don't want to check if it's something in there. All I want this function to do is print that. But I want another function that will check name and input name. Then we write another function, def check name, and this will be if name type of name equals string, then we will return true. I should also go for return statements, because that is only introduced in this. Else return false. So what return does is it will spit back out whatever you put there. So it'll go check name, spit back out true, which I believe if you don't have anything there, it'll print it. I'm just going to double check if it will print it. It doesn't actually print it. Okay. But what you can do here is, now you could do answer equals that. And then if answer equals true, do that. And then it will print all the ones that are actual names. Because it will go, okay, answer is equal to whatever this returns. If it returns true, then it's good to go. And you can shorten this even further by taking out that. You don't need equals true there, because if true, do this. And you don't actually even need answer. You could just put in that right there. And now you've got two small functions, which in general is a good thing. You tend to want to make your functions small, because then if you have an error anywhere, So let's say it's that instead. Uh-oh, I've got an error. Let's have a look-see here. Line 18. Line 18. Tells me the line down here. So, line 18. Main. Okay. Yep, main. Which then goes to line 16 in main, which is print hello name. Yep. Okay, we're following the error, which then goes to line 2 and print hello if check name. Yep, and then it goes to line 7. I was looking in the wrong place. In check name, return TRE. Error. Name TRE is not defined. Oh! I want it to be true. And then it'll work. So, also, it just makes your code generally easier to read. And say if you want to use check name somewhere else as well. So, like, we will have define print not name. Name. Then we'll do if not check name. Name. Print name plus is not a name. And I didn't call it anywhere, of course, so we will replace it with this one, print not name. Of course, I didn't do a little, make it a string version of it. 5 is not a name. True is not a name. So, you know, then we could do print hello. Hello, there 2, with name is the parameter. Whoopsie daisies, I accidentally click start. Then it'll do all of them. This is obviously your functions don't need to be this separate, really. You'd like to keep your functions around 30 lines max if you can, but some you just can't, and it just becomes inefficient to not do it. And also this not name is just the opposite, so if this is not true, then do this. So, yeah, that is the basics of functions. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, learned something, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!